Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can earn free CATI tokens on Binance. Okay, so Binance made an update a few days ago that they will be sharing free Catizen tokens on their LaunchPool. Okay, they made this announcement on Twitter account. So let me go to my Twitter to show you guys what Binance said relating to Catizen listing and the free airdrops they will be sharing. Okay, so you can see over here that they made this announcement 1 day ago at the time of making this video. Okay, introducing Catizen AI CATI on Binance LaunchPool. Okay, so they will be sharing free tokens, okay, to us. Yeah, so without wasting my time, let me go to my Binance account to show you guys how you can earn these free Catizen tokens before the listing of Catizen. Okay, so first let me go to my Binance account, and in my Binance dashboard you can see Catizen LaunchPool is warming up. Okay, 13 hours remaining to start the LaunchPool. Okay, so we have few more minutes to gather our funds to participate in this LaunchPool. And let me click on this LaunchPool to show you guys what you need to do to be part of this LaunchPool. Okay, so at the time of making this video, $1 billion has been staked. Okay, $1 billion has been locked to participate in this upcoming LaunchPool. Okay, and Binance will be sharing free 90 million Catizen tokens. Okay, the LaunchPool will last for 4 days because 20th September is the listing of the Catizen. Okay, at the time of making this video, Catizen hasn't been listed yet. Okay, so meaning on 20th September, Catizen will list. Okay, and Binance is using 4 days to do the free LaunchPool so that anyone who participates in this project will get some. Okay, they are sharing free 90 million Catizen tokens. Okay, and before you'll be able to participate in this LaunchPool, you need to have any of these crypto tokens over here. Okay, you need to have FDUSD or BNB. Okay, if you used FDUSD to stake in this LaunchPool, you get 15% of the total airdrop token. Okay, and if you use BNB to stake in this LaunchPool, you get 85 of the total airdrop token. Okay, so let me go to my wallet and see if I have some tokens over there. Okay, so let me go to, I have some $34 in my funding. Okay, so I'll just transfer to my spot account. Okay, so that we do the process. Okay, so I just transferred 34 USDT to my account. Okay, it's in my spot wallet right now. Okay, so first we need to convert it to either FDUSD over here. You can see we have FDUSD over here and BNB over here. So the crypto you want, you just convert your tokens to. Okay, if you convert to BNB, you get 85% of the airdrop. If you convert to FDUSD, you get 50% of the airdrop. Okay, so the one you want, then you convert your tokens to. Okay, so first you click on this trade. Okay, then you click on convert. You see convert over here, so you click on that convert. Then you convert your crypto tokens. You can see I have USDT. Okay, but if you have maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum, they will appear here. And you can also select the crypto you want to convert. Okay, maybe you want to convert another crypto to the BNB or the FDUSD, you just select it over here. Okay, so first I'll just select my USDT of $34. Okay, then I convert it to FDUSD, or I can choose the BNB. Okay, I can either choose BNB or FDUSD. So let me use FDUSD to do this process for you guys to know how to do it. Okay, then I'm converting all the 34 USDT. Okay, so let me click on the max. Then I click on preview conversion to convert it to FDUSD. Okay, FDUSD is the same as USDT. They all have the same rate. Okay, $1 rates because they are all backed by a dollar. Okay, so 1 USDT is the same as 1 FDUSD. Okay, so we are done converting our crypto to FDUSD. Okay, so my crypto is now in FDUSD. So let me go back. I'll just click on the home button. Then I will click on this Catizen LaunchPool. Okay, the LaunchPool hasn't started yet. Okay, at the time of making this video, the LaunchPool hasn't started yet. We have 30 more hours to start. Okay, so I'm just starting mine so that when it gets started, I am first in the process. Okay, so I will click on this Catizen LaunchPool. Then I will click on lock on this FDUSD because we converted our crypto to this token. Okay, the FDUSD. So I'll click on this lock. Then I'll enter the amount I want to use to do this Launchpool. Okay, for me, I want to use all the money in my FDUSD, so I'll click on the max. Okay, then I will click on lock to lock my crypto. Okay, so that I will be eligible to receive the CATI tokens when it starts. Okay, so let me click on the lock to lock it, and I have successfully locked my FDUSD. Okay, so let's just click on this FDUSD and check our money over here. Okay, so you can see my locked position is 34.5522 FDUSD. Okay, and my CATI tokens are 0 because it hasn't started yet. Okay, so we have 30 more hours to start, and you can use any amount of money you want, okay, to participate in this Launchpool. They don't have a fixed amount. Okay, you can participate using $10 or $50 or $100 or any amount of FDUSD or BNB you have. Okay, I use $34 to participate in this CATI Launchpool. Okay, because this is the amount I have in my wallet right now at the time of making this video. Okay, you can also buy more cryptos, then you convert them to the FDUSD and the BNB to participate in this Launchpool. Okay, and after the Launchpool is over, you get your money back. Okay, you get, if you use the FDUSD to participate in this CATI Launchpool, after the Launchpool is over, you get your FDUSDT back. Okay, if you used BNB too, after the Launchpool, you get your BNB back plus the CATI tokens you received. Okay, so if this video helped you to know how you can participate in this Launchpool to earn free CATI tokens to your Binance account, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.